BeamNG, but every time I crash, the car gets newer. Starting with this 1962 Ferrari. Alright, I'm gonna start by trying to get into a police chase. Oh. Hey. Those were on purpose. This thing's pretty quick for how old it is. 1962. 250 GTI, I think. Alright, next. A 1969 Golf Ford GT. These guys don't even seem to know that I'm the guy that they were just chasing like 5 seconds ago. Try to see if he'll race me. These police are blind, bro. For being an American car, it surprises me that the steering is on the right side. Oh! 1981 Ferrari F40 up next. One of my dream cars for sure. I think the Zonda R is probably my dream car, or a Huracan Storado. Kind of a sleeper pick, honestly. Not many people drive or think Storados are cool, but they're pretty awesome in my opinion. And boom, right around the police, and they're after me now. Now this thing's definitely the quickest car I've driven so far, and I think it's possibly the best looking too. Really up to you on that opinion though. Some people might think the GT40 was the best looking, which is a valid opinion. 1993 Toyota Supra. It's a little bit of mods, I would say. Just a few. Okay, looks like the police are still after me. Oh, no. Turns out they weren't already after me. They're not just now after me. That's really weird. Gosh, this thing has 1997 truck. I'm so locked in right now. I'm not crashing anytime soon. Tail wing. I'm the alpha, I'm the leader, I'm the one to trust. Together we do whatever it takes, we're in this pack for life. I will have the world we own the night. 2005 Corvette C6 with some sort of Barbie modifications with the best wheels I've ever seen. Got myself a little donkey to ride here. That's not a crash. Tell me that's not a crash. It's like a... Yeah, see, my paint isn't even a scratch. That dude got the worst of it. For him, it might have been a crash. For me, it was just like a minor inconvenience in the traffic. Police aren't even after me yet in this car. They know they couldn't catch me. And it's hot pink, you know it's quick. People that like pink is cool people. Always cool people. Anyways, twin turbo Mustang from 2014. And nah, it's not a crash. Oh wait. ...2015 McLaren P1. With a little bit of mods. This thing is possibly quicker than your dad's work truck. Most likely quicker than your 2025 Lamborghini Tamario. And I added a non-functional camera on the back of it. Let's do this. This thing can definitely zoom a little bit. I would say that your dad's work truck can't go 200 miles an hour unless your dad's work truck is a fast work truck. Then it might be able to go 200 miles an hour if it's like a very fast dad's work truck. Don't go there. Ooh. Alright, we're good. That's not a crash. Oh, that might be a crash. Why can't everyone just go away? Except for you. Look at style. I'm oiled up in my tree house.